Ready to unlock the secret to receiving crypto? Let's find your Metamask Ethereum address. First, open your Metamask browser extension by clicking on the Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. If you are on a mobile phone, open the Metamask mobile app. Make sure it's unlocked. Right at the top, below your account name, you'll see your Ethereum address. It usually starts with 0x. This is your unique public key, similar to your bank account number. To copy it, simply click on the address itself. You should see a small notification pop up confirming it's copied to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can click on your account icon, which often displays a colored circle representing your address. A larger display with your account details will appear, with a QR code on display to allow someone to scan your address. Now, you can safely share this address with anyone who needs to send you Ether or other ERC20 tokens. Remember, your Ethereum address is public, but always protect your private keys and seed phrase. Never share them with anyone. Your private keys are like the password to your bank account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully located and copied your Metamask Ethereum address. Now you're ready to receive crypto.